Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video from your phone onto Instagram's platform. Now there are a few changes that has occurred over the past weeks of Instagram which are just amazing. So I'm going to tap on my Instagram account, and this is only one of my accounts that I'm using. I haven't uploaded anything for a time, but I highly recommend it. Please, whenever you're on Instagram, endeavor to upload at least say 5 times a day. This is one of my small accounts. Now, when you're creating your account, keep in mind that you have to give it a name. You have to have a great amount of posts and try to get followers. As you can see, I'm lacking in some, but this is just one of my weaker accounts. Just go back. Now, with the update of Instagram platform, you can upload a video by tapping on the plus button at the top. This allows you to add a video automatically to the platform. So we're going to add a video now, and there are certain things that you should keep in mind when you're adding the video. So we're going to go tap on plus. Now on tapping on plus, you are introduced to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 features, all that can influence your account and get you views. The aim of this is to be consistent when you're posting on Instagram so that you can get the necessary views each day. Now, for number 1, which is the reel section here, now this allows you to upload videos that are really long. I've not tried the reel option previously, but based on my understanding of the system, it allows you to upload a video which is of a long duration. The other section, which is a post, is considered to be shorter, where you can upload as many as you wish, and they normally let me just show you how it looks when you do a post. Posts are normally like this. As you can see at the top here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All these are considered to be posts. Reels, I'm not using reels, but this is just how a reel will look. It takes, what do you say, more space on the screen, as you can see. So let's go over and upload a video. So we're going to tap on the plus at the top, and we're going to use the post. On tapping on post, you'll be taken over to your studio or gallery of your phone, where you can see the pictures and videos that are stored on your phone. So we're going to scroll down, and we're going to say, for example, we're going to go to, let me just find a video. Let's say this video I'd like to upload to the platform. Now this is not related to my niche. This is only for the purpose of the video. Now say that you found the video that you'd like to upload as a post presentation. You're going to tap on the section where it says the blue, which means to go to the next segment of the uploading. So we're going to tap on it, and you'll be taken over to another area. Now here it informs you of what to do, how to get your posts seen, and how to do various stuff using Instagram. Here enhance your reels with music, so you can add music and edit the tools right on the platform. But I would say you would need an external software where you can edit videos more efficiently. Also, they inform you that your account is public, so anyone discover your reel and use your original audio is to create a new reel. Okay, anyone can create a remix of your reels. Okay, so we're gonna go, and we are gonna go and tap on OK, because we're familiar with this, or we can go to settings and adjust that accordingly. We're going to tap on OK, and you'll be taken over to this segment. Now you can come and you can add your music type, your sound type as an overlay onto your video, or you can just leave it with the natural stuff. You can go at the top And let me just say this. You can tap on the 3 stars, and then that will introduce you to a platform where you can add dynamics to the videos and so forth. If you were to go further left, you have this for writing on the screen and so forth. So let me just write and show it to you. I'm going to say Marlon. And you do not have to write on the video itself. It could be enough and so forth. So let me just go got it. Let me just say Marlon. Yes. After we're done, I'm gonna tap on it and click on next. When you get to this segment, it's very important to have a title for the video by putting it at the top. Then you need to give a description what the video is about. You also need to have the proper tags for your video so that it can be promoted amongst the explore option where you can get much more views. After you're done, do not forget the hashtag. Hashtags are extremely important so that Instagram promotes your video to the best audience. Sorry about that, and so forth. Then you're going to tap on share at the bottom. After you've tapped on share, it goes over to your platform in a small process. So that's how it is in uploading a simple video onto Instagram. So if you've gotten a lot of video, please like the content, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and comment below. Thank you for your undivided attention and hope to see and hear from you soon. Bye.